Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes E-Class. We're talking about the generation that you see here from year 2010 produced to year 2016. This is known as generation W212 Mercedes. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where your ECU fuses, they're also known as DME fuses, ECM fuses or PCM fuses. Practically that's different names for engine computer fuses. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. They're hidden under a different name, where you can locate them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays with a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E-Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17 guys, this is the W212 guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars guys in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So where you can expect guys to find the ECU fuses, also known as engine computer fuses guys, or DME fuses. We'll demonstrate on that generation Mercedes E-Class. This is the same generation, that is the version before the facelift, that is the facelifted version, it should work for both. You have multiple fuse boxes in that car, but today we'll work in 2 fuse boxes. The first one is under the hood. Open the hood, facing the engine now, that's the engine, here on the driver's side. Okay, behind the shock tower here you have that cover, pull it out, and underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important guys to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case guys you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that guys. But when disconnecting the car battery guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So, where you can find the ECU DME fuses guys. Now, if you check your service manual, you will not have specific engine computer fuses. No ECU, no DME fuses. Why? They didn't list them, I don't know. But practically we will list most of the major fuses that control the engine functions guys, so you will need to check those. Most likely some of those are the main fuses for the engine computer. If you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, not just for Mercedes but any car, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out guys, you can save quite a bit of money. Here we need to come to that lower section here first, and if you come here, you need to check fuse number 4. The fuse number will be printed on the left side, and fuse number 6, 4 and 6. Then we need to come to the upper section. You need to check now the fuses will be printed here on the right side, 22, 23, 24, 27, 34, right there. After that, you need to open the trunk. Here on the side, we have a cover, pull it out. Underneath, you will find, guys, the main trunk fuse box. Here, if we zoom in, we need to check fuse number 42 and fuse number 89. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.